go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Francisco, Ken, and Zach? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate everyone, as always. And Tyler, what's up? Appreciate you. SEII, you want me to look at that? What about SEII? Sharing Economy International? Never heard of it, but yeah, we'll check it out here in a sec, if that's what you want me to do. Ramen again today. Yeah, ramen again today. It wasn't all too bad, but oh, wait a minute. Did the NASDAQ finish in the green? What happened here? No, it didn't. Never mind. Nope, yeah, all ramen today. Good, for sure. Moon though soon? I sure hope so, but SPY, it looks like there's still, I don't know. There's a lot of gaps to fill. So I sure hope so. But yeah, I'm certainly not complaining. Because, again, for selfish reasons, because, I want to buy in for my clients, you know, ideally below 400 SPY. So, looking at the chart here, we may come back down to 370. Let's fill the gap there. Sure hope not, but we'll see. So fingers crossed, moon soon. But I don't know. We may have a couple more months of a bear market. What up, low roller, 1010 and swirls.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here, as always. Appreciate everyone. And please smash that like button if you haven't yet. Are you getting rich on YouTube this week? No, YouTube has been pretty... The past 2 weeks, YouTube has not been kind to me. Well, it's not YouTube, but, you know, the past 2 weeks, everything's been good. So, during Me Mania Round 3, the channel was blowing up. You know, we went from, like, 1,000 subs to almost, you know, like, 1,150 real quick. And the past 2 weeks, it's been a grind, getting the subs and the views up. Because everything is good now. And, you know, when everything is good, retail doesn't really participate. And plus, I've been talking about Bed Bath & Beyond, like, every single day, and I've been pretty bearish on it, you know, saying sell, be careful, guys. Like, the one I did yesterday, Bed Bath & Beyond, the second best video ever, statistically, on my channel, got, almost 200 views, in 12 hours. And I got 1 sub from that. Usually, I average 1 sub per 20 views. I got 1 sub for 200 views. Because these apes don't like it when I say, sell your damn stock. Hit the sell button. It's gonna go good. But hey, that's how it goes, you know? I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I keep it real. And stay tuned, because when we get to Bed Bath & Beyond, I think I already posted in Discord, but yeah. Apparently, some clown claimed that since I was so right on my call yesterday on Bed Bath & Beyond, that I must be in bed with the hedge funds. Apparently, I'm getting paid by hedge funds now. No, actually, I make like $1. I make $1 per video here on YouTube doing a TA for you guys, but you know what? I should get paid by hedge funds. But yeah, internet is crazy. When you're right, apparently I'm hedgy now. I'm in bed with the hedge funds. Bruh. ATGX hit 1261, 9,000%. What? Yeah, so I think Swirls mentioned ATGX on Discord earlier. I didn't really pay attention too much. I was busy today, but I did not see ATGX. ATXG, my bad. ATXG. All right, so it's an IPO. Is it Chinese? Is it Chinese or what? Could it be another one of these Chinese IPOs? Yeah, so be careful, guys. But yeah, apparently, you know, brand new IPO momentum squeeze play here. No flavor packs, too. Yeah, no chicken flavor, no nothing. This chicken flavor right here. Just raw wax. I make $200. Anyone buy ATGX? Man, I didn't buy a 14 buck. Oh, Ken, by the way, yeah, so about ADXT, that was the one, right? What was the other one? AVCT. So you were asking about AVCT yesterday. Yeah, I was wrong on that one, dude. I thought it was going good. I thought it was going BitConnect, and it mooned today. So honorable mention, AVCT. So I apologize about that. I still think it's the right play not to FOMO in that, but it did run to the upside 42% today. So it would have been good to go long there. Well, it would have been a gamble, but it would have paid off today. So, yeah, my apologies, because I said, probably not the best idea to go for it, and then it moves 40%. But, can't be right all the time. And yeah, damn, if you bought it in 14 bucks and this ran to 400, massive tendies. And it may keep going, in the next few days here. Because generally speaking, these Chinese stocks have been running for like a couple of days before they pull back. Better give me some of that hedge fund's money. Well, I do plan on starting a hedge fund, probably in a couple of years here. Realistically, I just opened my RIA, so not gonna be a super ape yet. But one thing at a time. I'm gonna get some more clients, and then down the road, I plan to open a hedge fund. So I'm not hedgy just yet, but I ain't retail. I'm not a dumb ape. But goals. I do want to be hedgy one day. I don't care what you apes say. When I saw Ty mention it, it was 120 ATXG. It wasn't me, dude. It was Swirls. It wasn't me. Another Chinese stock. All right. So yeah, it looks like the Chinese IPO momentum squeeze play is still on. So it seems like ATGX is the latest. Is it fintech? Because all these stocks have been fintech as well. But yeah, it looks like the new Chinese squeeze here. Chinese momentum squeeze. Swirls called it out. Yep. Go to that. Yeah, TK. What up, Move the Chains, and what up, Punk Skater?
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone, as always. SPY got rejected at 401. Previous support, resistance. Now resistance, super bearish. I haven't really been paying attention today, to be honest. Let me see SPY real quick. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, not looking too great. MACD is running pretty far on the downside, so I don't know. We may have a lot more good to go. Sure hope so, but I sure hope not. I hit the poop out of that top on SPY. Yeah, congrats, 1010. So I forgot exactly what you were in, but I know you had a call and a put in SPY, right? And they were both green. That was really weird. It must have been some like crazy IV or something. That's why. But so you made money on both sides of the call and the put, and you guessed correctly in selling your call and writing the put down. So damn, you must have printed today. Congrats to you, 1010. Yeah, you're thriving. 1010's like a low key. He's not low key, but 1010's a pretty big bear. Pretty big bear. Last day of trading for August, and we end big red candle for the monthly candle. September, we got worse, guys. Oh, yeah, today is last day of August. I didn't even realize. Oh, and by the way, so no show on Monday. Monday is Labor Day, so stock market closed. No show Monday. Yeah, not a great way to end the month, the week, the day, the month, and the week. Well, it's not over just yet. We still got a couple days to go for the end of the week. But yeah, not looking good at all. And September, I don't know. Brace yourselves, guys. Clench your buttholes. It's going to be a ride. Sold the call for profit, then wrote it all the way down. Good day. Yeah, dude. Full chat mode. Really, really nicely done. Congrats to you, dude. All right, so before we begin, I have some exciting news for you guys. So, I will be day trading again very soon. Not exactly sure when, but probably within the next month. I just have to figure out some liquidity issues. But I'm back. Yes. So it's been like almost a year. It's been almost like 10 months or something. But yeah. I'm coming back. Better than ever. Full rainbow bear mode. So yep, like I said, I just gotta get some liquidity stuff figured out, but I'm coming back and I'm gonna be rainbow bearing, and I'm gonna make I'm gonna make a TikTok and I'm gonna start posting YouTube Shorts. So hopefully that helps the channel blow up, because I think that will a lot. The YouTube Shorts and the TikTok. I never had TikTok. I've never made a TikTok. I'm not really on social media, except for the business here. But yeah, I plan on making TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and I'm gonna document, make short videos of trades in the morning and then an update in the afternoon. So hopefully that really helps with the sub count and everything. And then yeah, and then I'm gonna post stories as well. So excited to be back. So probably within the next few weeks, I'll be live rainbow bearing again. I don't think we'll do morning shows yet. That's further down the road. But been working on a lot of stuff, setting up my company, passing my Series 6.5, getting my company set up, and working on my website and all this other stuff. So yeah, I'm mostly done with all of that. I don't have too much stuff to do on the side anymore, other than like Patreon content. So yeah, it's been a while, long time coming, but yes, I'm coming back, guys. Okay. What up, Eddie? What's up? Appreciate you, dude. As always, CNBC said market on track for 4 straight weeks. Something like that. 4 straight weeks of what? Of good? That would be pretty bad. I sure hope not. And managing other people's money responsibly. I love it. Yes. Not aping their money. Long-term holding. Like value stocks. SPY. Amazon. Apple. Not Bed Bath & Beyond. So yeah, thank you guys a lot. When I started this channel, I really didn't know what to expect. It was more like a hobby thing. And I did not expect to be a financial advisor. That happened. And I did not expect this community to grow so quickly. And it's just getting better. So I couldn't do without you guys. It's been quite a journey so far, and just getting better. So appreciate everyone. You day trading again? Let's go. Yeah, not yet, but within the next month, probably within the next few weeks. I just gotta get my money right, my liquidity right. You can also try Instagram Short too. That's an idea. I haven't used Instagram in years. Do people watch Instagram Shorts? I don't know. And like now TikTok's the big thing, isn't it? I feel old. I'm like low key a boomer. I'm not good with all the social media stuff. I never really liked it, but with YouTube I have to do. But yeah, Instagram, that's an idea. I'm not sure how popular that's gonna be, but for sure TikTok and YouTube Shorts, that's gonna come soon. Neighbor saw me pull in the driveway with Benz, and all of a sudden she's asking me when I'm gonna come over and give her a coconut massage. I don't know. You got some clout now. You got some. You're pretty legit now, dude. So, hey, it may be time to shoot your shot. What's the worst thing that can happen? I guess she can accuse you of something, but probably not. So, in all seriousness, I don't know. Maybe try a shot, dude. And if you get rejected, whatever, bro. Plenty more of those. Plenty of fish in the sea. You should post on Reddit, recruit those apes. Post on Reddit what? Like, well, I can't post on Wall Street Bets because there's a rule saying you can't promote yourself. No self-promotion. So you're really not supposed to do that. StockTwits I can, but that place is just really toxic. I guess I can post on Reddit, like, my plays, but I can't, like, link my videos or anything like that. I don't think so, at least. Because I was going to post on Reddit. That's an idea, too. Yeah. So, I'm going to work on the social media. I'm not the greatest when it comes to social media. I just look at charts, I trade. I'm not good at this marketing stuff, social media stuff. But getting better. That's an idea, too. Reddit, for sure. Instagram Short is getting popular. Why not? You got nothing to lose. All you have to do is repost same content. Yeah, you're right. But I don't think I'm going to have any photos on Instagram, or very few. But yeah, you're right. There's no downside in having Instagram. So, all right, yeah, we'll do that too. See, I have checking and a savings, and I got to move my money from my savings to checking, and it may not go through. Where's that from? Kevin Hart? Yeah, I definitely remember that quote. Where was that from? What movie was that? I definitely remember that. But yeah, something like that. I gotta move my money from my Roth to my checking to my brokerage and figure some stuff out first. StockTwits is fair game. Twitter is fair game. Add ticker, post some gains, and they will come. It's scammy, but it works. Listen, Twitter, not so much anymore, because I just really hate StockTwits. It is the most toxic place ever. It's just a bunch of retail bull bag holders that scream moon, you know, big bounce, slap that ass, you damn shorts, you damn rainbow bears, get out of here. and then they get wrecked. And then what do? And then they attack your character. You damn shorts, how could you possibly short this down? You're immoral. Yeah, I hate that place. But I have been using StockTwits. Not lately, but I already have StockTwits on Twitter, yeah. I'm not too popular on Twitter, but StockTwits, I've posted quite a bit. Did TikTok ban crypto and stock tips before? Did they? I don't think so. Because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of financial TikTokers that, you know, they're just pumpers. They're not financial TikTokers. They're just pumpers. Moon. And then they get all these subs. And I'm over here. Hey, it's going down, guys. Screw you. You damn rainbow bear. It's Kevin Hart's stand-up routine. It's hilarious. Google homework for y'all later. Yeah, I definitely watched that. It was on Netflix. It was one of those. Yeah. Might have to rewatch that. Sometimes, very rarely, you can find the actual reason stock is mooning, usually a link to Twitter image or post. Punk Skater knows what's up, seriously, watch it. You'll delete laughing. I'm pretty sure I watched that one back in college when I was on shrooms. And I thought it was the most hilarious thing ever. I remember watching Kevin Hart stand up on shrooms. I remember, with the fire, he was like, bam, fire! I want fire, boom! And then I just couldn't stop laughing. It was the most hilarious thing ever. I also watched Idiocracy on shrooms. That was also the most hilarious thing ever. I thought that was like the most genius film ever, Idiocracy. It's more like a documentary now. More PGA golf left Saudi Golf League. The number 2 player in the world joined Saudi Golf League. He was offered $100 million. Who's the number 2 player? Didn't Tiger Woods get offered $1 billion? Something like that? Ridiculous. But yeah, you know, they're getting their bag. You can't blame them. They got some real competition now. You can't blame PGA players for leaving the cash flow? Yeah, absolutely not. It's just a shame that they get banned and you're not allowed back. Why would you just make your league better? Incentivize your league better, you know? So they want to play for your league and not the Saudi league. SPY gonna fill the gap at 390 in 2 weeks. It's almost there already, dude. It could be there tomorrow. It could really be there tomorrow. But yeah, I think 390 is incoming. YouTube video? What is that? Kevin Hart? Not today's show. 5-minute video. All right, got you, dude. Appreciate that. Cameron Smith? I don't really watch golf. I have no idea who Cameron Smith is. I know like McIlroy, and then Dustin Johnson was pretty good too, right? He went to the Saudi League. Mickelson went to the Saudi League. Sergio Garcia, like a lot of big names went to the Saudi League. Can't blame him. Golf finally offer a real sports contract like NBA, MLB, NBA. Yeah, I guess so. They get a real contract now, but golf has always made the most money. But all right, guys, cool. So appreciate everyone for being here, nice and early. Can already tell it's going to be a great show. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. All right. So yes, today is Tuesday, August 31st, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Or is it Wednesday? No, it's Wednesday, my bad. Wednesday, not Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday, August 31st, 2022. And today we're doing the show from Raministan. Yep. Morga. So, you know, it wasn't like too bad today, but when you get consecutive red days like this over and over, it really starts to add up. So, yeah, not great. We're under 400 SPY now. Well, we were yesterday, but now we're at 395. Yeah, not looking good. Not good at all. But regardless, got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today we got 4 articles. One about Michael Saylor, the ex-MicroStrategy CEO. He's getting hit with tax evasion. He's getting sued for tax evasion, him and MicroStrategy. So I guess they were hiding their Bitcoin gains. Huh? Sneaky, sneaky. We'll get to that. We got an article about Ticketmaster and NFTs. We got an update from the Fed. And an article about the C19. Minor article there, but we got some news about the C19. That is still a thing. And then for the TA today, once again, we're going to do Bed Bath & Beyond, BBBY. And this is going to be a great video. I plan to sneak peek. So later, may take some time because I'm not the greatest at like editing. It's still, all this stuff is still really new to me. But I was going to take the clip from yesterday, some clips from yesterday, when I literally called like exactly everything. I was like, it's going to sell the news. What do you really expect? What do you realistically expect? Probably layoffs, right? Store closures. Maybe bye-bye baby. That didn't happen. I didn't say share offering, but I just totally forgot. I should have said that too, but I was like pretty dead accurate. Oops, I shouldn't have said that. I was pretty accurate. And so I was going to do like previously on Smarter Gambling, and then it's going to be like a flashback to yesterday of me, and then you see that clip, and then it's going to be like, I told you guys. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to spend like time and effort into editing the video tonight. I'm going to make it good production. So excited about that. I was being generous on timing for SPY, lol. Yeah, maybe 1 or 2 days. I don't know about a week. Definitely within a week. Wait, the big plan? It's here? Yeah. I mean, like, what realistically, what were the apes, what were they expecting? Like, bye-bye baby? One ape said, and I'm pretty sure he was trolling. I don't know. I think he's trolling, but he might have been serious. He said Ryan Cohen was forced to sell by the SEC, and that Bed Bath & Beyond, or that GME was going to buy Bed Bath & Beyond. This guy literally thought that today's announcement was going to be GME has acquired Bed Bath & Beyond. And he thought it was going to send, he literally thought Bed Bath & Beyond was going to 400 today. I'm not lying. I don't think it was a troll. He was dead serious. He was actually serious. So, yeah, we all saw this. We all saw this. This was going to happen. So pretty sad because, I'm sure a lot of apes got wrecked, but I don't feel too bad. It was obvious. It was very obvious. And apes are still buying. We got Yolos here later. Apes are still buying the dip. Buying a falling knife right now. So, some apes will never learn. But, yeah. So, but it's some very good content. Highly entertaining stuff. So, in the name of content, I appreciate those apes. They were expecting bye-bye baby and buybacks and GameStop acquiring Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah. Yeah. No, I said it yesterday. I'm like, what do you guys expect? Probably lay off. If you're going to save money, right? If you're going to turn the company around, what are you going to do? You're going to save money. You're going to lay people off. You're going to close stores. I said e-commerce business. Yeah, you're gonna start going to e-commerce, similar to what happened with GameStop. Yeah, this was obvious. Come on, guys. Risk management is so important. Ever since I got a raise at work, my risk management has been on point. Yeah, so, here we smarter gamble. We're not total crayon eating apes. We're smart apes here. That's us right there. Not gonna lie, I almost want a Bed Bath & Beyond call today. I mean, yeah, why not? Just, for fun, YOLO, why not? You did so well today. All right, guys. So yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond, and then YOLOs. So I don't have too much content for you guys today, but the past couple of weeks, we've been going like 3 hours every single show because a lot of people are just coming in and chatting. So yeah, I don't have too much content. It shouldn't take too long. Maybe I'm not even gonna predict how long the show is gonna be from now on. Probably 2.5 to 3 hours. If people come in and chat today, which it sure looks like today's a very hot show. A lot of people here chatting. So I appreciate you guys. So yeah, I'm not even gonna try to guess how long today's show is gonna be, but I don't have too much content for you guys. And you guys are the real ones for sticking around for like 2+ hours every single day for the past couple weeks here. You guys are real loyal.
You loyal.
One PGA player turned down huge offer, Saudi Golf League. All right, we'll check that out. And I'm pretty sure Tiger Woods turned down $1 billion, or close to $1 billion, and he's not even good anymore. Like, bro, how'd you not take that? I guess he has integrity, huh? No, I think he has a stake in the PGA. That's why. He's like business ties to the PGA. All right, guys, let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Okay. We are the Smarter Gambling fam, and we are gonna grow like a weed. Yeah, yeah. I mean, we were blowing up during Meme Mania. It's been a bit rough here the past couple of weeks, but after this well, I guess if I screamed BBBY onto the moon, we would have kept pumping here. But I ain't gonna lie to you guys. So yeah, sub count, view count has been kind of slow lately, but the show's been good. The live show's been really good. But yeah, sub count and view count has slowed down significantly. But that's fine. We're still growing here pretty fast. So I appreciate everyone. Couldn't do it without you guys.
I appreciate you.
All right, let me check YouTube real quick, see where we're at. 8 viewers, 15 likes. Wow. So yeah, a lot of people in here already, and a lot of likes. So appreciate you guys. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Please, thank you. All right. So, all right, let's look at SEII first for Francisco. This is a crazy looking stock here. This is like super consolidation happening. It's not the prettiest triangle, but yeah, something like this. Something like this. So yeah, it looks like it's going to keep consolidating around like 5 cents. And it kind of looks like it's going to take off from there. Not financial advice, but yeah, big consolidation here. So I think at 5 cents, this is due for some massive breakout. Not financial advice, but it is looking pretty bullish. No idea what this company is. Is this OTC? It is OTC. So be careful. But yeah, big consolidation happening here. You might, not financial advice, but you may pump to like 8 here, and then back down to whatever, 3, and then 6. So you can make money both sides here. Swing trading. So I hope that answers the question, Eddie. Yeah, looks like it's going to trade between like 7 and 2. But this eventually should come around like 5 or something. Alright. That's a pretty chart. You can see what's happening next. Yeah, looks like big consolidation here. And then once it does, big breakout. Once we get a bull market run and more memes, this channel will continue to blow. Yeah, so bear markets aren't good for, finance YouTubers because retail just goes into hibernation mode. For sure. But, this gives me some time to work on my other content, some more educational content, Patreon content and stuff. So, I'm not sweating it, I'm not going anywhere. We're going to be here for years and years and years. I'm going to make a whole career out of this. So I'm not too worried about the, the sub count or anything. Over time, it's going to blow up. Just got to put in the effort every single day. It'll pay off. And like I said, once I do my TikTok and my YouTube Shorts, I think that's really going to help blow the channel up. Because shorts get a lot of views and a lot of subs. No one wants to listen to me for 10 minutes. Well, this indicator. No, people want to see moon, tank, stuff like that. So it's gonna be, yeah, very exciting coming up here in the future for the show. And I do want to make like more documentary type of content too, just like history of the stock market and stuff like that. So yeah, big plans coming up for the channel. If LIV Golf offer you $100 million or more contract play golf, would you take the offer? Or you are set for life and relax all day long? Well, I'd go to PGA and say, how much you giving me? Not 100 mil? All right, peace. If they can make more than that with brand sponsorship and such, but if I'm not getting those, sign me up. Yeah, exactly. Then you have bargaining power. You go to PGA. What are you going to do for me? Meet Kevin left YouTube for now. Doesn't he leave YouTube for like every couple of months, and he comes back for a little bit, and then he has like a mental breakdown, and then he disappears, then he comes back, and then he disappears and gets arrested in Florida, and then comes back. Yeah, I don't know. I don't watch the guy, but it seems like he's just on and off all the time. I don't know. I love bear markets. Make money on the way down. This is the best I've done in a long time, maybe ever. Yeah, you've been deleting it, dude. You've been making a lot of money. But personally, I think bull markets are better for shorting. Because you got, not that bear markets are bad for shorting. It's definitely good. But I think in bull markets, you get more opportunities to short down. You know, there's more stocks to short down. That's what I've noticed at least. But, you know, bears make money in bull. That's what I love about being a bear. You can make money in bear markets and bull markets. Being a bull, you can really only make money in a bull market. So, you know, come to the dark side, guys. Meet Kevin got arrested for drunk driving. Yeah, we discussed that not so long ago, a couple weeks ago. We pulled up his mugshot and everything, and I think I accidentally doxed him. I think. All right. Cool. Let's do the watch list. All right. There's actually a decent amount of green here. Okay. Start on the green side. Well, let's do the indexes first. All right. So the Dow Jones down 0.88%, NASDAQ down 0.57%, and the S&P down 0.78%.
And it's gone.
Yep, so yet again, another red day here. Not the worst thing in the world, but like I said before, when you get multiple red days like this in a row, it really starts to add up. So, yeah. We're below 400 now, SPY, and still looking pretty bearish in the short term here. For some reason, the VIX is down 1.3%, down 0.34 points. Doesn't really make too much sense. I mean, I'm not complaining, but shouldn't the VIX be up today? All right, whatever, bro. So, yeah, VIX is at 25.87 now, which is still not great, but all things considered, you know, it should have been in the green today, so that's good. I'll take it. All right, let's run down the watch list here real quick. Being famous, YouTube famous, have disadvantages since people follow you around. Yeah, well, no one's noticed me yet in the street. But it's pretty funny, when I was on Steve Harvey, people came up to me and was like, "Weren't you on TV?" So I haven't got to the point yet where people notice me from YouTube. But maybe soon. Fair point, it's hard to make money on individual names in a bear market, and most of the names we follow are still beaten up. Yeah. So, you know, I'm always going to rep the Rainbow Bears. Team Rainbow Bear. Bro, ATXG on steroids. Is it still going? Is it still going or something in the aftermarket? Let me see real quick. If IBKR wants to cooperate with me here. All right, there we go. ATXG. That's halted. Why is it halted? What the hell? All right, so I don't think it's moving in the aftermarket, but yeah, 9,000% today. It's the new Chinese meme fintech IPO momentum squeeze. Be back 24/7. I believe we can go back to the 15s. Hey, it'll have its day again. Talking about Bed Bath & Beyond, right? It'll definitely have its day again. But in terms of, like, will it get back to 15 in the near future? Like, in the next few weeks, in the next few months? Probably not. Probably not. Not financial advice. And you probably don't want to hear that. But, you know, probably me mania around 4 in 6 months or so, whenever that is. For sure. This will have its day again. But I think, you know, in the next few weeks, in the very short term, it's going to be more downside. So yeah, bag holders may have to diamond hand this until they, you know, make their money back. But appreciate you for being here, dude. And Bobby Jenkins Jr. Appreciate you as well. What's up, guys? APDN setting up to explode. We can take a look at that one as well. Real quick here. Yeah, appreciate you. VIX went down because market makers are already positioned for downside, and VIX goes up when they buy SPX puts. All right, that's theory. Yeah, that could be it. Definitely very odd though. ATGX went from 1260 to 560 in 12 minutes. Like, it went in half in 20 minutes? Yeah, it says 650 for me. ATGX says 650 for me. It doesn't say, that's what it says for me in IBKR. So I guess we'll have to follow that stock in the next few days here. All right, got your low roller. We'll get to that shortly. Monkeypox starting the spread. Yeah, we covered that yesterday. Yesterday we saw the first monkeypox deletion. So yeah, it's becoming a bigger thing. So stay safe, guys. And even the C19 is still a thing. All right, watch this time. So we're not going to spend too much time here. We're running a little bit behind. So let's just run the list very quickly. So AVCT, 43% today. Yeah, that was a major runner. Major runner. Let me see real quick, actually. AVCT. All right, no gap. All right, what was I looking at? APDN. APDN is setting up to explode? Yeah, well, RSI is at 50 right now. And looks like a huge bull flag here. So I like had a mini bull flag. It went bigger than this. Yeah, big bull flag here. Big bull flag. The hell? Why is it not letting me draw? What is going on here? Yeah, Thinkorswim is not cooperating right now. Come on. What the hell? There we go. There we go. Yeah, big bull flag here. Is it my mouse? What the hell is going on? I have to get a new mouse soon. Yeah, here's the bull flag. Boom. Just be careful, because there is the gap back here at 70 cents. So, looks pretty unlikely it's going to come back down there at this point, but it is possible, so be aware of that. But yeah, neutral RSI, so it's pretty decent entry. And big bull flag setting up. So, good luck to you there. Last article? Alright, dude, got you. We'll get to that. Alright, what's next? MEGL, that's going back up. Yeah, and APDN, 18%. HKD, yeah, these Chinese stocks are mooning today. What's up with the Chinese stocks? The Chinese memes. HKD going back up. HYMC, big day here, 11.6%. MMAT, 11%. What the hell? Oh, yeah, and Snap, right. So Snap yesterday announced they're going to lay off like 20% of their workforce, right? Of their employees. And it goes up 9%. What the hell, dude?
Bruh.
Yep, nothing makes sense anymore. Anything... Here's AMTD. That's another Chinese meme stock there. Oh, Meta did good today. Facebook, 3.7%. Big day there. Don't know why. Starbucks, another one that's been hot lately. So I don't see too much value here. This is mostly growth in the green. And a lot of memes as well. I mean, at this point, like, growth and memes are kind of the same thing. Interchangeable. But yeah, we got, Ride, Wish, Sundial, BNGO. That one's picking up steam lately. Tilray. Oh, there's PayPal. 1.8%. BBIG. So, yeah, Netflix is in the green today. Yeah, a lot of memes in the green today. Growth and memes. And we got some value down here. Morgan Stanley. Yeah, Netflix, Starbucks. Marriott. That's about it. Uber. McDonald's. Walmart. So, yeah, so it seems like memes actually did pretty good today. Minus Bed Bath & Beyond. But memes / growth doing pretty good, especially the Chinese ones. Alright, let's get on to the red side. And red side, not so much price action either. But yeah, we got MGAM. That was popular yesterday. That's pulling back 32%. And then Bed Bath & Beyond, 21.3%. And pulling back in the aftermarket. So that's not good. Which we'll discuss later on. GCT is pulling back. That's a Chinese stock that is not mooning today. GME is going down. Probably in sympathy with Bed Bath & Beyond. Nvidia down 2.4%. AMD 2.4%. GM 2.4%. Yeah, there's a lot of value here. Looks like value is holding down the market today. A lot of value. Got GM, Domino's, Airlines, BP, American Express, Verizon. Oil's down today. Here's Chevron. Well, some oil's down, but there's Chevron, Twitter, Amazon. So there's a lot of value in the red here. This is pretty much all value down here. Yeah, so it looks like memes, growth / memes doing pretty good today, and value not doing so good. So if you were an ape, it wasn't actually that bad, unless you were like all in Bed Bath & Beyond. But this is a pretty bad day for boomers. Value went down a lot here. So, this isn't as bad as the indexes would suggest. I don't know. It's not too bad to me. It seems slightly bearish today. Again, unless you're all in Bed Bath & Beyond. But yeah, that's the stock market today, guys. Bearish, slightly bearish to bearish. Let's get on to some crypto. And pull up some articles here. All right, give that 1 second to finish loading. Fast food workers getting huge pay bill raise in California bill. I just posted the article. All right, so they're like the new New York, right? Because New York was the first one to pay fast food workers like $22 or whatever the hell it was, whatever ridiculous thing it was. So I mean, I guess that's cool for the workers in California. But you keep doing this, you're gonna get replaced by machines soon. Just a matter of when. Okay. So let's do crypto. Hey, it's going back up today. I thought it was in the red. Oh, crypto's pretty decent day here today. All right. So here's crypto. That's all right. I think we're back. My bad, guys. OBS just disconnected me real quick. But I think we're good now. My apologies. All right. Yeah, on to crypto. Can McDonald's just at a vending machine like Japan? Yeah, they can. There probably are those already in Japan. But those machines actually like make you food right there. McDonald's just has the kiosk right now. I think they're just gonna have the robot making your burgers in the back, and then like one person serving it to you. That's an idea. I think they may already have that in Japan. All right, let's run down the list here. So Bitcoin up 0.74%, over 20K again. Ether up 0.77%, pushing 1,600. Binance down 0.55%, XRP up 0.5%. Not so much price action here today. Cardano pretty sideways. Polkadot up 0.5%. Polygon 2%. She pretty sideways, down a little bit. Tron down 2%. Yeah, I don't see too much going on here. Not the most price action. Pretty uneventful day here in crypto, seems like. Let's sort this out. Wendy's is hiring. At least the apes can have a free double stack. Free double stacks. Do you get free double stacks? Really? I didn't know that. Yeah, we have a lot of memes coming up here later on in the show. Wendy memes. Clowning, a lot of memes clowning on the Bed Bath & Beyond bag holders. So stay tuned for that. We got a few Wendy's memes. And I did say yesterday, you know, today's going to be Lambo. The apes are going to be driving Lambos or applying for Wendy's. And it looks like they're going to be applying for Wendy's today. All right, let's sort this out. All right, let's see here. All right, so it looks like 50-50 here. Looks like 50% of the coins in the green and 50% of the coins in the red. And yeah, price action wasn't too crazy. The only thing in the double digits was Lido. DAO, 11%. I don't really see too much value here as well. Leo is the biggest value gainer, 8%. And big drop off. So I'm not really sure why. This seems more bearish to me, honestly, but okay. So yeah, not much price action, and mostly growth it seems like is pumping here in crypto. I don't see too much value. Oh, that's why, because it's bullish because the red coins didn't go down that much. So more price action on the green side than the red side. Much more price action. The biggest loser today is Helium, 3.6%. Really not that bad. Oh, actually, it's eCash, 3.8%. And the biggest value loser is Tron, 2%. That's really not that bad at all. So yeah, equal amount of coins in the green and red, but the green coins definitely way bigger price action. So that's why crypto's up today, 1.26%. So, yep. So overall, you know, today's not that bad. Seems like a slightly bearish day in the stock market, slightly bullish day in crypto. So overall, should have been a pretty neutral day. So yeah, hope you guys, hope you apes, you guys made money. And if not, hope it wasn't too bad. Hope you didn't lose too much. People work at McDonald's. They offer free college to get better job and better careers, jobs, opportunities. They do? They pay for your college? Not all of it, right? They may have like a program or something. Wendy's offers free lunch and E. coli lettuce. E. coli lettuce? Was that like actually a thing? Was that like Chipotle had that thing with the E. coli back a couple of years ago? I used to eat Chipotle every day when I signed up for DoorDash, or was it Grubhub? I can't forget. I used to do DoorDash a couple of years ago. And when I would go to Chipotle, they would have all the orders on the shelves, right? And they'd be sitting there. All the ones that sat there for hours, you know, they got canceled. So I would just take them all and just bring them home. And I just eat Chipotle every day for dinner. It was great. It was great. All right, let's get on to the articles here today. All right, guys, so once again today we got 4 articles from myself, and then we got a few from Low Roller. But from me, we got 1 article about Michael Saylor. Apparently, he's getting in trouble for tax evasion. We got 1 about Ticketmaster and NFTs, one about a Fed update, and 1 about the C19 update. All right, let's do it here. What up, Jalen? What's up? Appreciate you, dude, as always. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. If they're getting paid too much from their job, they ask to cut their hours. That is true. If they get paid too much, they don't want to pay you benefits either. So they get you part-time, so they don't have to pay for your health care and stuff like that, 401k. So they can keep government benefits. That too, yeah. You work part-time, you can keep your benefits. If you make too much, you can't. They are complaining they are not getting paid as much. Now they cry they lose benefits. Yeah, well, you know, you're in a catch-22. If you rely on the government, if you depend on, like, government support, you know, like, yeah, you know, they'll take care of you, but you're never going to advance in your life, so if you want to, you're going to have to give it up. So it's a choice you have to make. What do you want? You know, can't have everything. Mickey D's pays $52.50 per year for college if you are full time. That's nothing. That's nothing. Not even worth it. Screw that. The movie The Founder is worth watching. That sounds familiar. The Founder? What's that? The Founder. Oh, yeah. This is the McDonald's movie. The McDonald's movie. I haven't seen it, but I remember the commercials about it. I haven't seen it, but yeah, I might have to check it out sometime. Appreciate that, dude. All right, let's get to the articles here. So, first article, Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy sued for alleged tax fraud. All right, Michael Saylor has been accused of evading tax on hundreds of millions in income over a decade. Over a decade? What?
Bruh.
Oh, man. Oh, man. This guy's in trouble, huh? How much does he owe? Yeah, so he's being sued by DC, where he lives, for tax fraud. Does it say how much he owes? All right, it says he lived in D.C. for more than a decade, but has never paid any D.C. income taxes. How do you know that? He may have lived somewhere else, another state, half the year, and then he can report it there. I think they have some credible evidence, though. I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt. And they're also suing MicroStrategy for conspiring to help Saylor evade taxes. He legally owes hundreds of millions of dollars he's earned while living in D.C. All right. Wow. Hundreds of millions of dollars? Bruh.
Bruh.
All right, so, Saylor, not financial advice, but this is the part where you get on the plane, right, and you go fly to your private island, and no one ever hears from you again, and just live a good life. So, yeah. Well, I guess if they can't get him, they'll get MicroStrategy. So, but it's not him, though. It's the best time to exit. You know, he's not the CEO anymore. Getting sued for tax fraud. I'm out. Peace. All right. So, yeah. If there's any more news, I'll update you guys. But apparently, Michael Saylor owes hundreds of millions of dollars in taxes. Whatever the hell that means. He's probably hiding the money through MicroStrategy. That's probably what he was doing. You know, like making his income look less than it actually is, because it's under MicroStrategy and not his personal tax return. Just speculation, though. All right, next article. Ticketmaster will issue NFTs on Flow. So Ticketmaster has quietly minted over 5 million NFTs in the last 6 months as part of a pilot program. Today, it announced plans to expand its initiative into the upcoming NFL season. So, key takeaways. Ticketmaster publicly unveiled its NFT program today after a quiet 6-month pilot program. The company will issue NFTs on Flow, an NFT-centric blockchain developed by Dapper Labs. Ticketmaster has planned to issue NFTs to ticket holders for a select 100 NFL games this season. Okay, so this is interesting. Because last year I went to a Jets game, and they actually won, some miracle, against the Titans, which are good. It was pretty funny. And they were offering an NFT. I think you got a Zach Wilson NFT. I forget. But now you can get it automatically through the Ticketmaster app. That's pretty cool. No, it was through StubHub where I got it from. It was through StubHub, not Ticketmaster. But yeah, Ticketmaster, you can get your NFTs directly from them now. That's pretty cool. You know, bullish for Ticketmaster, bullish for crypto, for NFTs, and bullish on the NFL. So, you know, no downside to this. That's pretty cool. To be fair, I don't think these NFTs are really going to be worth anything. Maybe a couple of bucks, but yeah, that's awesome. So, minor news there. Bullish. All right, next article. Fed's Mester sees benchmark rate above 4% and no cuts at least through 2023. Okay. Real quick, guys. Smash or pass? What do you think? Smash or pass? All right, Cleveland Federal Reserve President Loretta Mester said Wednesday she sees benchmark interest rates rising above 4% by early next year. Mester anticipates the rate increases to slow economic growth, which she sees as running well below 2%. Okay. So, yeah, we've been getting some updates from the Fed here. We had an article yesterday. I think the guy from New York was talking yesterday, and he said, yeah, Williams, right? And he said no rate cuts and more rate hikes through 2023, I think. And, yeah, this lady here is saying, yeah, same thing, no rate cuts. Pretty much the same thing, yeah. No rate cuts and rate hikes all the way through 2023. So we're probably going to have another year and a half of rate hikes. So, yeah, brace yourself, guys. And, the Fed does BS a lot. But I believe them. I believe them here. I don't think they're lying about this. Inflation is just going too crazy. That's their number one priority right now. And they got to be aggressive with their hiking. And, yeah. So, when you hike like that, you're going to slow down growth. But 2% GDP, 2% is pretty standard. That's pretty average. So she says well below 2%. What does that mean? 1%? Half a percent? Negative? Okay. But yeah. So this ain't it right here. So, when they keep raising rates, don't complain when they do and the market gets wrecked. But yeah, it looks like we're going to be in it for the long haul. Probably, possibly through the end of 2023. I sure hope it doesn't last that long, but I thought it was going to be the middle of 2023. Where the bear market ends, but we'll see. It may be through the end of 2023 now. But we are very much still in a bear market, and will be for a while. Good. Everyone says pass. Pass, pass. Hard pass. Look like a man. This woman is transgender. No, I don't think she's transgender. I think she's just pretty old. Age is a cruel thing, especially for a woman. Yeah, you can see she got her heavy makeup on the eyes. Got the wrinkles coming in now, in the mouth area here. She got the turtleneck. That's usually how you can tell a woman is old, by looking at her neck, like her neck wrinkles. But she got the turtleneck on, so you can't really see. But I bet it's pretty bad too. Yeah. Yeah, pass on this one. But I don't know. Maybe 40 years ago or something would have been a smash. I'd like to see. Okay. Cool. Alright, last article from me. And let me load up some of Low Roller stuff here. Got a lot of stuff, huh? Alright, give me a sec, guys. Let me open some links real quick. A lot of chat you gotta scroll through. Let me see. Alright, here we go. Okay. Alright, got all the articles there. Now, there's a lot of chatting today, huh? You getting more vaccines for you? I'm not, no. Hell no. I only got the first one because I had to, because if you didn't, you couldn't do anything in New York City. So no, I'm not going to get it. But, yeah, this is news here. Alright, guys. So last article from me here. FDA authorizes C19 booster shots that target Omicron BA.5 variant. Key points. The FDA authorized booster shots that target the Omicron BA.5 variant. It is the first time the FDA has authorized an updated vaccine formula since the shots started in December 2020. The new boosters are expected to roll out to the public after Labor Day weekend. The CDC and Prevention has to sign off has to sign off before pharmacies can start administering them. All right. So what happened to the vaccines for BA2, 3, and 4? Yeah, I remember when BA2 came out. I'm like, what the hell's BA2? And now we're on BA5. So yeah, minor news here. This is still a thing. The C19. Fortunately here in America, it's not that big of a problem anymore. But yeah. So if you guys want to get boosted again, what are we on? Like the 4th, 5th booster now? Something ridiculous. You can do it. You have the new booster. The new booster that protects you against Omicron BA5. So yeah, minor article here, but worth sharing. Okay, and let's see what Low Roller has here for us. Hideki Matsuyama turns down massive contract from LIV Golf. It's a Japanese guy, huh? How much did he turn down? 100 mil? It's number 16. It's number 16. They offered him 3 to 400 mil. 3 to 400 mil. Bruh. You know what? I want to be so rich one day that I could turn down 400 mil. I think Tiger Woods turned down $1 billion. Or 900 mil. Something ridiculous. Yeah, so Phil Mickelson gets 200 mil. Why does this guy get more than Phil Mickelson? Doesn't Mickelson, doesn't he have more clout? Maybe he's just old now. Yeah, so Mickelson gets 200 mil. Dustin Johnson. Oh, Brooks Capella. That was another guy. Yeah. And Bryson DeChambeau and Cameron Smith get 100 mil. Yeah, Tiger Woods rejected 700 to 800 mil. Bro, I want to be so rich where I can be like, F you, I don't want you 800 mil. That's ridiculous. All right, so, yep. Rich people turning down huge offers here. What a life. Well, it says President of Paraguay vetoes crypto regulation law. The bill was approved by the nation's Senate in July as low energy costs continue to boost mining activities. So that's a good thing that he vetoed this, right? So there's no crypto regulation. He reasoned that the mining's high electricity consumption could hinder the expansion of a suitable national industry. Huh, interesting. So is it good or bad? So he's saying they use too much energy, so he vetoed it so they can build it more? I'm not really sure what's going on here. I think this is bad for mining. This is bearish for crypto miners. So I guess, yeah, he doesn't want to use energy, and he wants to really turn Paraguay into a mining hub, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I think this is bad. I think this is bearish. For crypto miners, at least. Bullish for, all the environment lovers. All the green people. Greta Thunberg. Alright, cool. South Korean authorities arrest 16 individuals connected to $2 billion crypto forex transactions. More than 283 million of the 2 billion in crypto transactions were reportedly facilitated through illegal remittance agencies. Did they seize $2 billion? Alright, they cracked down on KuCoin, Poloniex, and Femex. I don't know if they got seized, but some people got arrested here. But I don't know if 2 billion got seized. That is a lot. That's a big scheme. 2 billion bucks. I wonder what they were doing. Okay. This Mt. Gox trustee releases payment. repayment procedure update. All right. Yeah, so we covered this a couple months ago, I think. Not too long ago. Yeah, so the FBI, or I don't know if it was the FBI, but whatever agency recovered a lot of the Mt. Gox funds, and they're going to start distributing them to the victims. Which I would be so happy if I was a victim, after, like, what, 5 years? Something like that? More than that. Over 5 years. When you thought your money was gone, and then now they're like, hey, you got your money back, and it appreciated so much in value, I'd be ecstatic. Yeah, I don't even know what the hell what's in this document here. All right, so it says he's saying who we can and who we can't repay, and who should sign up for the application. All right. Well, yeah, just minor news here. So they're proceeding to they're moving on with giving out all the funds back to the victims here. But it looks like some people are not going to get their money back. It goes in order of priority of the creditors. So, pretty sad that everyone's not going to get their money back, but I'm glad that people are getting some money back. And yeah, like I said, I don't think they're complaining. The people are getting their money back. They must be very happy. All right, what's this? SEC warns of crypto investors scamming exploits. Their fear of missing out on social media. Yeah, scammers do use social media to defraud investors, for sure. It's all the spam stuff. I hate it. Every single YouTube video, mine included, and, other financial YouTube videos, there's always these damn comments. I made $10,000 this week. Thank you to whoever. Tai Wong. For teaching me how to do this. And it's like, wow, you made that much? Please teach me your ways. Oh, hit up Tai Wong on WhatsApp, on Telegram, at blah 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 blah. He made me 3 Bitcoin in the past month. He's a legend. Yeah, it's a lot. I hate that so much. And I always report every single one I see, but there's just too many. There's too many bots. So yeah. It's a low-level scam, but to a new investor, to a newbie, I can see how they fall for this. So yeah, don't if anyone trying to sell you a course or anything like that, don't buy it. So yeah, you have to be kind of a noob to get scammed on social media for your crypto, but it does happen. Uh-oh. Got a video here. Pause. I hate Yahoo. So many damn ads. U.S. president says California newly created fast food council that could raise minimum wage to $22 at its restaurants. Hurts everyone. All right, so the president, McDonald's president, says he does not want minimum wage raise here. Oh, what I just hit. All right, I just effed up. I just hit something. All right, last article. So it hasn't gone through yet, but it's a proposal, I guess, and good chance it does go through. So I don't blame the guy. He's trying to run a business. $22 an hour for fast food worker is a bit much, I think. What is this? All right, this is just like comparing fast food worker stuff. All right, we're not gonna go over this. Cool. All right, guys. So that was all the articles for today. Good stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed that. What time is it? 5:14. All right, so we're a little bit behind here, about 15 minutes behind. That's all right. So I hope you guys enjoyed that news. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please smash the like button. Please and thank you. And yeah, let's do Bed Bath & Beyond. All right, let's see where we're at on YouTube, and let me catch up on some comments, and we'll start the TA here. All right, we're at 6 viewers, 18 likes, so still a lot of people here. Thank you guys. And yeah, a lot of likes. So if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
All right, catch up on some comments. Matsuyuma is a vet. He is already rich. He didn't need the money. Yeah, I don't watch golf, but I think I've heard of his name before. But I don't care how rich you are. You gotta be like stupid rich to turn down 400 mil. That's ridiculous. Maybe it's just a negotiation tactic. He wants more after they offer Tiger $1 billion. Yeah, could be. But PGA ain't giving him 400 mil, I'll tell you that. $20 an hour is the new $15 an hour for the last article. Yeah, I saw that. We're not going to read it, but yeah, so, just minimum wage is going up everywhere. To be expected. But you keep doing it, you're going to be out of a job soon. You're going to get replaced by robots. Okay. Let me check what's up with the price action here, and we'll get started with the TA on Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, and Isaac Ortiz. What up, dude? Appreciate you for being here. ATGX 8,000%. Yeah. It's actually 7,000 now. It was at 9,000 earlier, so I don't know why it was halted, but it unhalted in the post market. Now it's back down to 550. So coming back down to earth here. But yeah, still major price action today. Okay. StockTwits. Yeah, 69,000 mentions. 6,900 mentions. That's pretty funny. It's a meme. There's 6,900 mentions on Bed Bath & Beyond right now. Too good to be true. Pretty soon we have $100 an hour minimum wage. Probably in like 20 years or something. More than that. Probably like 50 years. Something like that. Yeah, for sure. Because my parents used to tell me stories about how the Subway used to be like a nickel or something. And bread used to be a nickel. Lunch used to be a dollar, something like that. Not even. Alright. So, yeah, once again, guys, we're going to do Bed Bath & Beyond. Going to be more or less the same from what I've been saying for the past 2 weeks. So, going to try to get through this as quick as possible. Try not to bore you guys too much. But shouldn't take too long. Got my notes right here. Alright, let's do it. Going to take a quick drink and we'll get started here. Alright, so it's 5:18. We should be done with this in like... I think we're going to go to 6:30 today. Around 6:30. So, a little more than another hour. Alright, let's do it. So here is BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. This finishes at $9.53 today. This finishes at $9.53 today. That is down 21.3%.
And it's gone.
All right. So we've been covering this stock for the past month. Ever since this initially squeezed. This went from the low of $4.40 up to the high of $30, which was over a 580% upside. So insane price action. epic short squeeze. So epic short squeeze, insane price action. And then Ryan Cohen took a huge dump on the apes. And there's information coming out now that when he dumped, it was probably illegal. We'll get to that in a second. This went plunging down. It was a falling knife. Went to the $8 range. And then it started going to the upside again. So it looked like the squeeze was still on, but in fact, we now see that it was a dead cat bounce. So today was the big catalyst. Well, it looked like there was probably a lot of buying the rumor going on there. Rumors of a BBBY spinoff. And today was the big catalyst, the strategic update announcement. So probably a lot of apes buying the rumor up. So probably a lot of apes buying the rumor in anticipation for this catalyst. So okay. So a lot of apes were excited for today's catalyst. They thought it was gonna moon. And I hate to be that guy, but I told you, and I hate to be that guy, but I told you so. If you guys watched yesterday's show, I pretty much got everything here spot on. If you guys watched yesterday's show, I made an extremely accurate call here. I said I was going to sell the news. Well, we'll get to that in a second. So a lot of apes thought this was gonna moon to the upside, but in fact, this did sell the news. Because the news was pretty bearish. So let's check that out real quick. Okay. So first of all, there is a 12 million share offering. So the company is diluting the stock, and raising money for the future. So that's bearish short term, but it should help in the longer. But it should help longer term. They have guidance for Q2 here. Guidance was 1.45 billion versus the 1.5 billion estimate. So a miss on guidance there. That's bearish. They are going to cut 20% of the workforce and close 150 stores. To be expected if you're trying to save money. They're shaking up their executive team. A lot of departures, a lot of new entries, and a lot of new faces here. Let's see. Okay. And Ryan Cohen is now getting sued. And Ryan Cohen and his company are now getting sued. Because it turns out that he lied on his disclosure. He didn't really lie, but he filed documentation saying that he was going to sell, and then he sold immediately after, and then he told the apes he did not sell yet when he did in fact sell. So that was pretty shady, and possibly illegal. So he's getting sued, and so he's getting investigated. So he's getting investigated and sued for that right now. Which I don't think the apes really care because they kind of hate him at this point. So yeah, really bearish news coming out of this strategic update announcement today. And I hate to be that guy, but I told you. And I hate to be that guy, but I told you so. If you guys saw yesterday's show, I was pretty accurate on my call here. I said that this was probably going to sell the news. What do you expect them to say? Probably layoffs, store closures, let's see here. A possible possibly investing in their e-commerce business. And I said it would really take some groundbreaking news for the stock to go to the upside. So I make an excellent call, right? And then I get comments like this. This video came out before the drop even happened. It's clear who's being paid by the hedgies. Right. So, so apparently I'm in bed with the hedge funds now. Because I do this for a living and I'm not a dumb ape. So actually, I make about $1 a video here on YouTube. For doing TA for you guys, for analyzing charts here. But you know what? I should be getting paid by the hedge funds. Any hedge funds out there? Hit your boy up. But yeah, apes don't like it. When you're correct. Okay. So today was pretty disgusting. But honestly, this was to be expected. This was obviously going to happen, just a matter of when, not if. So I hope you apes took it. So I hope you apes took your profits. And it looks like it's not done selling just yet. Still a decent amount of downside to go here. This was number 2 on StockTwits today. Had 6,900 mentions. Nice. So once again, we're going to analyze it. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Let's catch up on some comments real quick. NVIDIA says license requirements for China will impact production. NVIDIA down 3% after hours. Damn. NVIDIA will probably go down since NVIDIA number 7 on the index. I wonder if... That's pretty bad. 3%. Wow. So what's it at now? Good time to buy the dip. Not financial advice. Yeah, 145 now. Ouch. I wonder if Cohen is going to screw GameStop shareholders next. I mean, he kind of did, but no, GME is on another level though. Like I don't think there will be another GME. Like GME is still high, is like has still not pulled back. It's still up there. AMC pulled back. Every other meme stock has pulled back. GME is like the legit meme stock, like the king of all meme stock. It is still up there. The shorts, the apes are still in their diamond handsing. But I'm pretty sure he did unload already on the apes. Time to cry. My XSOXS that I sold for $550 is now $12.70, and I had 2 contracts. Damn, bro. So missed opportunity. Like $1,100 there. That sucks. But you know what? You can't win them all. Actually, more than that. $1,400. I made it free, and I sold the free one too. Got to stick to my rules. Make it free, then rake in the attendees. Well, I think you still made a pretty good profit there. So you can't be too upset. Congrats to you, dude. But yeah, I feel you. $1,400. Missed opportunity. Could have been a nice. I don't know what can you get for $1,400. Get yourself a I don't know, some nice dinners. PlayStation. Go to some games. Treat the wifey. I don't know. Yeah, a lot of money there missed. All right, let's get back to this. And this is going to be more or less the same from the previous times we analyzed the stock, just with the updated price action today. Okay. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 440, and there can be multiple possible tops. It can be $30. $31.70, $39.30, not 39. $39.30, $40, $44.55, and then the high of $53.90. Although I do believe the most realistic top would be $30. But those are all bullish indicators that is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And then we have a triple gap down. Kind of hard to see here, but the first gap down was created today at 1150. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1150 to fill that gap. The second gap down was back at 1615. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 1615 to fill that gap. And the third gap down was back at 2250. So another bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back up to 2250 to fill that gap. And it appears like it's going to be a while before those gaps fill. Probably going to happen in the longer term. It's likely going to happen in the longer term, probably when the next meme mania comes around. Okay. And now for the bearish stuff. Oh, gap downs. Gap ups. And then we have a double gap up. First gap up was back at 830. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 830 to fill that gap. And the second gap up was back at 650. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 650 to fill that gap. And those two gaps should fill in the short term. Okay. Here we had an ascending channel developing. The upper channel was around 17 and the lower channel was around 12. So if it broke 17 to the upside, that would be bullish. And if this broke 12 to the downside, that would be bearish. This did in fact break $12 today. So the ascending channel is currently a bearish indicator. Here we have a head and shoulders developing. Here we had a head and shoulders. Here's the first shoulder. Here's the head back at the high of 30. And in the past few days, the second shoulder was forming. So that was a bearish indicator. That was suggesting that the stock may be due for a sell-off, and this stock did in fact sell off today. Bull flag. Here we had a bull flag developing, so that was bullish. But unfortunately, the stock broke out to the downside, so the bull flag got rejected and is now a bearish indicator. Okay. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 940. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off as well. MACD. And down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line is starting to pull away from the signal line to the downside. So that's a bearish indicator. That is suggesting that it may be time to sell. Okay. RSI is currently at 50. RSI is currently at 48, and the RSI is currently at 48. So pretty average there, a little bit below average. So according to the RSI, the current price of 953 is a neutral indicator. Yeah, so according to the RSI, the current price of 953 should be a little bit lower, should be a little bit higher. So the RSI is currently a neutral indicator. All right, I think I got everything there. Cool. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. ATGX under 500. Yeah, it's pulling back pretty significantly, but it may still be a runner tomorrow. We'll see. It says 550 here. But, you know, still massive gain. But it is pulling back. What up, Kusama?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Nice to have you back. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Okay. So we'll go up to 15 and down to 4. All right. What is this? Cool. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 965 and 940. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 965, 1015, 1055, 1090, 1125, 1170, $12, 1260, 1295, 1340, 1380, 1420, 1450, 1490, and then 1530. There is resistance above 1530, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 940, 920, 885, 855, 815, 795, 750, 715, 695, 665, 665, 640, 610, 585, 550, 520, $5, 475, and then the low of 440. So right now at the current price, 953, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 715 to the downside, the channels start to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 715 to the downside. And this did 81 million in volume today, which is way above the average of 13 million. So very significant volume. Very significant volume. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. And this is less volume. And every single day, and in the past few days, the volume has been pulling back every single day. So it does appear like momentum is cooling off here, and the squeeze is winding down and coming to an end. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So yeah, it's been an epic short squeeze. And I hope you apes took your profits. So it's been an epic short squeeze, but this was fairly obvious that this was going to happen. But it was fairly obvious that this was going to happen. Just a matter of when, not if, as with every meme stock. So I hope you apes took your profits. Diamond hands is not the way, guys. When you play meme stocks, hit the sell button. Diamond hands is a great way to be a bag holder, which I'm sure a lot of people are right now. So I'm very happy. So I'm very happy for the apes who made money here, and I'm sorry for the apes who lost money. But everything is a learning lesson, and you can use this to be better in the future. So right now, in the short term, this looks pretty bearish. There are way more bearish indicators than bullish indicators right now. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle and triple gap down, but we have strong bearish indicators in the double gap up, ascending channel, head and shoulders, rejected bear flag, MACD, and aftermarket action. So way more bearish indicators than bullish indicators right now. So it appears like there's still more. So it appears like there's a lot more downside to go here, unfortunately. Okay. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. The current price of 953 is actually pretty fair market value according to the RSI. So it's a decent entry if you're willing to hold this for the long term. That being said, I think there's a lot more pullback to go. So personally, I don't like the entry. Again, in the short term, this may come back up to 1620 to fill the gap there, and from the current price of 953, Citibank unusual activity. Was it you? I don't even have Citibank. Damn scammers. What was it? 1620. And from the current price of 953, that would be about a 70% upside potential. Oh, actually, you know what? Never mind. Let's go here. So again, in the short term, this may come back up to 1150 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 953, that would be over a 20% upside potential. So some pretty decent money here. So some pretty decent upside potential here. Not bad. And again, in the short term, this should come back down to 650 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 953, that would be over a 30% downside potential. So I would say going long at the current price would be a high risk, medium reward play. Not really worth it, in my opinion. Going long is a gamble right now. There's a good chance this does not come back up to 1150 anytime soon. Again, looks really bearish. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk. And it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. Make sure you set your sell orders and your stop losses. But honestly, if you're a bit patient, again, this should pull back down to 650 to fill the gap there. And I think that would be an excellent entry. A way better entry than the current price of 953. So from 650 up to 2250, where this should eventually come back up to in the longer term, that would be over a 245% upside potential. So massive upside potential here in the longer term, and really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. This is near the all-time low. So I don't like the current entry of 953, but I can support, although, again, it's not necessarily a bad entry, but I can support going along at 650 where the gap is, and if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Okay. Catch up on some comments. What up, Wilson? What's up? Appreciate you, dude. Are you Sam's Club membership? No, I don't have Sam's Clubs. I have Costco and BJ's. But I heard they raised the price. Okay. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, you missed a lot of downside already. So that's unfortunate, but there is still a good amount of downside to go here. So it's not too late to join the party. Yeah. Looks like a pretty decent play to me. It's not exactly the best entry, but pretty decent entry. But pretty average entry here on the short side. And there appears to be a good amount of downside to go still. And there still appears to be a good amount of downside to go. Again, way more bearish indicators than bullish indicators right now. Looks like a falling knife. Yeah. Again, in the short term, this may come back up to 1150 to fill the gap there, which would be a 20% upside potential. And again, in the short term, this should come back down to 650. Damn garbage truck. And again, in the short term, this should come back down to 650 to fill the gap there, which would be about a 30% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price would be a medium risk, high reward play. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. It's a little risky because this is a meme stock. Ape's still in here, although they are losing the battle now. So anything is possible, but unlikely. And there's still, and I say high reward play because there is still a good amount of downside potential to go here. So as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here, this should pull back down to 650 to fill the gap there. And that should be some pretty fat tendies on the downside. So I can support going short at the current price, 953 and higher. And again, I would cover at 650 where the gap is for a relatively easy 30% downside gain. It may even go lower than that. Okay. And I will say, if you're not comfortable going short here at the current price, then consider going short at 1150, 1620, and 2250, where the gap downs are. I think those would be some pretty good entries. Those would be much better entries than the current price. But unlikely it runs back up there. Okay. Wow, aftermarket is coming back. Not quite. All right, cool. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today. If you're still consider taking profits if you're still up. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBBY, Bed Bath and Beyond. All right, cool. That was not too bad at all. I think that was some pretty good TA. So yeah, I'll work on that very shortly here, and I'm gonna make the video really good. I want to work on the production tonight. All right, guys. Cool. So yep, that's it for the TA. Just Bed Bath and Beyond, and let's finish up the show here with the Yolos. So give me a second to pull that up. So it is now 5:54. So we should be done here in like 15-20 minutes. Yeah, so we should be done before 6:30. Maybe 6:15 even. Okay, cool. Give me a minute here, guys. Let me pull up the Yolos and let's let that load. Let me check YouTube real quick, see where we're at. We're at 10 viewers, 22 likes. Wow. Wow. So we went up in viewers. And yeah, the likes are up there. So I think the record is 28. Let's try to break the record, guys. Help me out. Please smash that like button if you haven't yet. Please and thank you. Let's try to break 28. But I appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
All right. Give me a second here, or a minute. Gotta pull up the Yolos. They're mostly memes. Just clowning on Bed Bath & Beyond. A lot of lost corn here today. This is going to be fun. And I said yesterday, if/when this tanks tomorrow, I want to see the lost corn. Now we're getting the lost corn. Okay. Cool. All right. So I got all the tabs open. So we'll give this another minute to finish loading, and we'll get started with the Yolos here. Shouldn't take too long. They're mostly memes. And some lost corn. Bank of America news about housing. All right, well, I get to that. Let's do the Yolos first. And if you guys have any questions for me, questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything you want me to look at, put it in the chat right now. We'll get to that before we end the show. And shout out to all the lurkers. Says 10 people, so no one's really chatting too much here, but I appreciate you guys. I see you guys. Okay, so I'm going to take a quick drink, and we'll get started here. All right, how many we got? 5. 14. 14 Yolos today. All right. A little laggy, still loading, but we'll get started anyway. All right, guys, so today should be fun. We have 14 Yolos, mostly memes, and a lot of gain corn. So this is mostly just clowning on the Bed Bath & Beyond apes who got wrecked today. Let's do it. This is my Yellow Brick Road to YOLO. Back to the salt mines. You know, I think I'm not getting this new Wall Street bet lingo, you know? I used to be, like, really into Wall Street bets when I started the show, but kind of distance myself away from them now. Especially because the content's not too great anymore. But I haven't gotten the whole watermelon. I still don't understand what the thing with the watermelons are. Why is watermelons and Bed Bath & Beyond a thing? What does that have to do with each other? And then this new thing about the salt mines. I know what the salt mines are. It's what, you know, you go back to work when you get wrecked. But why is the salt mines even a thing? I'm not getting the watermelon thing and the salt mines. Anyway, so yeah. So here's the Wendy's meme. Welcome back to work, diamond hands. Yep, welcome back to Wendy's. Where's my doomer? Yep. Back to Wendy's, back to McDonald's. One day, one day. Good stuff. All right. Oh, this stuff is taking long to load today, huh? Okay. This one is by Alatornio, putting in overtime now. All right, so another Wendy's meme, but this time, you know, you're not going to work in the store. You're going to work here, by the dumpster, behind the dumpster. I got a few bills for you. What can I get for 40? What about 50? Yep. So here's your new position. The dumpster caretaker, if you know what I mean. Yep, a lot of apes gonna end up back here after today. All right. This one is by Young Stevo. In light of the Bed Bath & Beyond news, I decided to update All Reliable. All right, so here's the, I think this is the Volkswagen chart, right? When it says, you are here. Remember the old meme? You are here. And it was right down here before the big squeeze. Nope. Psych. I don't know why my sound effects are so delayed now. But no, psych. We were not at the bottom about to squeeze. We are here at the very bottom. Not the very bottom, but almost at the very bottom. So yeah, you know, apes delusional. They really thought we were here, and we're gonna, like, this was 30 over here, and it ran down to what, 8, and it was gonna go up to 100. Nope. We are here at the very end. You know, delusional apes. We are back pre-2008. Everyone are qualified to buy a house. That doesn't sound right. They're not just giving out loans like crazy now. Maybe before, you know, when the housing was good. But now it is coming down. So I'm not sure if we'll check it out. Well, we'll see. Let's just get finished with let's get finished with the memes here first with the Yolos. This is by Count Marty. New shopping bag announced at Bed Bath & Beyond. Now you can also hold Cohen's bags in the real world. And yeah, here we got Bed Bath and bag holders. I like it. I'd buy one. That's pretty good. I'd buy one. Is it free? No, they're like 5 cents, right? 10 cents? Nice. I'd actually buy one of these. That's pretty funny. Alright. Next one. Can't give credit. Please, now it's just sad. Alright, so here's a quote from Ryan Cohen. Not really, but might as well be. Now that you know I'm no activist, but an ordinary C, you will finally stop sucking my D, since you know for sure I effed you hard already. A lot of profanity there. You can read it yourself. Ryan Cohen to his Wall Street Bet simps. August 31st. So he didn't literally say this, but he kind of indirectly said this by taking a huge dump on the apes. And even when he did, the apes still thought he's the savior. Remember when he dumped, and I put it in the title, he dumps. No, he didn't dump. You clown, blah, 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 blah. And then it comes out later. He did dump, in fact. So what does it matter if he didn't dump it, he was gonna dump? If he says he's gonna dump, he should probably dump. Anyway. So yeah. Is he still the captain of the ship? Is he still the savior? I don't think so. He was in it for himself all along. He was bag holding, he squeezed it, escaped, and dumped it on all the apes. Am I surprised? No. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff for us, Low Roller. Alright. By Zizg. The 2022 group be like. Alright, this is true. So this was like old Wall Street Bets on the left. Chad guy. You know, before, pre-GME. And now we have this on the right. This is the current state of the sub. So, yeah, you know, pre-GME. I was here, pre-GME. I remember we used to buy, ride, win some, lose some, donate to charities, enjoy media coverage. Yeah, Martin Shkreli was in here. Someone else was in here, too. Some other celebrity, I forgot. Martin Shkreli used to hang out in here. And, yeah, chill. Very, very chill place. But now this is Wall Street Bets. Shut up, I have rights to make 500%. This is unfair manipulation. Remember I said yesterday, the apes are either going to drive Lambos or scream manipulation. Yep, everyone's screaming manipulation. You can't look at yourself in the mirror and admit that you made a terrible gamble. It's never your fault. You're a genius, right? It can't be me. It's manipulation. Nah, bro, take responsibility. You effed up. So there's a bunch of children in here nowadays. Little different. I do miss the good old days sometimes. Good times, good times. Alright, now we got some South Park memes by Peck Chicken. Just bought 1,000 shares of Bed Bath & Beyond. And it's gone.
And it's gone.
I love this show. I love this meme. It never ever gets old. Alright. Can't give credit. There's still money to lose, idiots. So another South Park meme. This is when Randy was fighting the Bat Dad in the baseball episode. I didn't hear no bell. Alright, if you want to keep getting wrecked, dude, just give it up. You gotta know when to give up. You don't want to give up, you're gonna lose more money. So, yeah, current state of the apes. I didn't hear no bell. Beaten down, but not broken just yet. But you will be pretty soon. Alright, can't give credit. How to spot a bag holder. So here's your clown meme. Goes 50% port based on Reddit DD. Yeah, never listen to Reddit DD, dude, guys. You should inverse Reddit DD. Not financial advice. Averages down into full YOLO. Shills the fundamentals to the other regards. I'm a long-term investor. Yup. Typical cycle of the bag holder on Wall Street Bets. You know, it was a long play all along. I like the stock. Fundamentals. What fundamentals? They're trash. Yep. Current state of Wall Street Bets. Alright. Enough of the memes. Onto the YOLOs here. So this is by Miss Camelot. Bed Bath & Beyond didn't hear no bell yet. Again, like the South Park thing. Okay. So we got a lot of lost coin here. So 6,000 shares down. 6,000 shares down 60%. 84K. What the hell was your average? 20 something? Oh my god, dude. Terrible, terrible. Got some calls here. 30 contracts. This was $3,500 down 2,700. 76%. What we got here? More contracts. 5K YOLO. $5,200 YOLO. Down 28%. $1,500. Another YOLO here. Contracts. $6,100. 50 contracts. Didn't lose too much here. This is actually, which one is this? Let me see. November 18th. $20 call. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I don't think it's gonna work. But at least you didn't lose money here yet. I would sell this one back. And this one, October 21st. $20 call. This one was a, what? Almost 8K YOLO, and he's down 18% here. Yep, so all around terrible. All around terrible. I like the shares, but terrible entry. And these options are just... What the hell, dude? Nah. $20 strikes. Keep dreaming. So, all in all, he's probably down, like, what? This 84, 87... 88. Like 90K. 90K loss here so far. And counting. So yeah, guys, don't do stupid stuff like this. Don't YOLO. Don't YOLO 140K into a meme stock at the high. And don't buy FDs like this. Unless you want to end up like this guy. So, yeah, so Miss Camelot. Sorry for your loss. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Totally your fault. Terrible plays all around. You deserve this. Yeah, I don't even know what to say at this point. It's going down more, so maybe you want to sell and rebuy, but then you're going to have a wash sale. You're probably going to have to diamond hands the shares here, and you're probably going to have to sell these options. Or I would sell the options, because ain't no way this is happening. You know, so you still got pretty good value here. 840. let's call it 3,900. So you got 10K in value here, more than 10K. You got 16K in value here. Still a lot of money. So you should probably hit the sell button before that goes to 0. I know you lost money there, that sucks, but highly unlikely this is gonna go back to 20 and hit those strikes. So yeah, Miss Camelot, thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss, not really. And yeah, at this point, tough situation. I don't know what you're gonna do about the shares, but probably diamond hands. And yeah, the options I don't like at all. So all around terrible play here, and no surprise that you're down 90K. So I hope it works out. And no matter what happens, please post updates. All right, what we got here? By Imposter 22, Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm still holding. All right, so yeah, this guy's a lot of shares here. So actually, the cost basis is pretty good. Everything's in $9 range, like $9.40 to $9.70, $9.85. It looks like. So not a bad cost basis. But yeah, he's down here. And this is a huge YOLO. Huge YOLO. Look at this. What the hell? 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, this is like $1 million YOLO. This is over $1 million YOLO.
Bruh.
So don't do this, guys. Don't YOLO $1 million in meme stocks. Ridiculous. But I think it's a pretty decent strike, or a pretty decent cost basis. Probably going to keep going down, though. And yeah, so he's actually not down that much compared to his cost basis here. He's down what? 15, 20, 30. Down like 40K, we'll just call it. Around 40K. So $1 million YOLO, over $1 million YOLO, and only down 40K. That's really not too bad, all things considered. So yeah, 40K loss, that's pretty bad, but yeah. Considering cost basis, and yeah, considering cost basis, it's not that bad. So yeah, I don't think you guys should do this, but at least they're shares, and it's a pretty decent entry. I think it's gonna keep going down though. And you should probably sell. I don't know why you did this in the first place, but you should probably sell before it goes lower to 650 and lower. But cool. So yeah, Imposter 22, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really, but this isn't too bad. I like the shares, and I don't like the entry, but it's a pretty decent entry. So you're not down too much here, and at this point, you should probably just sell and buy back lower. But he says he's not selling. He's gonna hold. FU. Okay, so he's gonna diamond hands to the ground. So that's how you blow up $1 million, guys. He's not gonna blow up $1 million, but he's probably gonna blow up like a third of it, probably like 300K at least. I would say he's gonna be down. So he's only down 40K now. He's gonna be down 300K if he diamond hands. So I don't know what he's doing here, but you know what? Cool, dude. If you like losing money, go ahead. Great content. So Imposter 22, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Not really. Pretty decent play, but I think you're gonna get wrecked here. So you should probably sell before you do. But you're not. You're gonna diamond hand. So yeah, please post updates. Want to see how this goes. All right. What? This is. All right. So pretty straightforward here. By Dogecoin Black Belt. 4,000 shares buy. Regards only, please. All right, so yeah, 4,000 shares at 891. Not a bad entry. Not a bad entry at all. So that was 35K YOLO. Nice. So actually, he's up. He's actually up. That's crazy. Wow. He's up quite a bit. What, 50 cents? More than that. 45, 54 cents. Yeah, he's up over 2K. Nice. So, highly risky stuff. I don't recommend you guys do this. Buying all this much in a meme stock. But, he literally caught the bottom. And he's up 2K, so dude, probably hit the sell button before it goes back down, and you're in the red. So you got lucky here. Cash out your 2K, and you should probably rebuy when it goes lower if you want to go full Chad mode. So, I don't really, at least they're shares, but you guys should not YOLO this much money into shares like this, into a meme stock like this. But he got a great entry. I don't know if it was skill or luck or what, but he's in the green now, 2K, and hit the sell button, dude. Cash it in, rebuy later. So yeah, Dogecoin black belt. Thanks for hosting. Good play. Bit risky, but good play. And cash out while you're up. And please post updates. All right, buy Rice Cooker 8055BH. Buy the bad news, sell the good news. I just added 3,000 Bed Bath & Beyond. Yep, that's a typical ape for you. Buy high, sell low. All right. Let's see. Yep, so 27K YOLO. Average cost 210 or 910, my bad. 908, 909. So this guy's actually up as well. It's at 945 right now. So this guy's up like 30 something cents. So same as the last guy. You know, I caught a pretty good entry here. Literally caught the low. And he's up a little bit of money here. Probably not that much, but a little bit of money. And you should probably just cash in while you're up, because this will go back down and he will be in the red. So not my favorite play, but respect for the entry. And yeah, I think you should hit the sell button, or it's gonna go red. So Rice Cooker, thanks for posting. Rice Cooker 8055BH, thanks for posting. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Hope you sell. All right, I'll load up some more stuff here. All right, last one for me, and then we'll get to the low roller stuff. Can't give credit. F it, I'll just leave my 1,000 shares there and hold this bag for a few more years. It's never about the fundamentals. I'm pretty sure this poop will go up again, just like GME and AMC. It's only a matter of time. Yes. So yeah, this was a 24K YOLO. Now he's down 14K. 59%. What the hell was the cost basis? It's down. It must have been, wow, yeah, it must have been 20 something, 25, something like that. So that's what you get for, buying high. But he's not selling low. He's going to diamond hands till it comes back up. So, yeah, don't YOLO 25K on 24K on meme stocks, guys. And he's down a lot here. He bought literally at the top, near the top. So, yeah, I'm sure eventually this will have its day again in the next meme mania, but who knows when that's going to be? 6 months to a year? But hey, yeah, he says he's willing to hold for years, so sounds like a plan, dude. It will come back up. And when it does, hit the sell button. Don't diamond hands. So, sorry for your loss. Not really. Really bad entry. And now you're stuck back holding. Like everyone else. So, sorry for your loss. Good luck to you. And it's going to be a while, but please post the updates. All right. Now we got some stuff from Low Roller. Almost done. It is 6:17. Yeah, we'll be out of here by 6:30. Let me check YouTube real quick. I think most people are gone. Yeah, we're at 6 viewers, 22 likes. All right, so a couple people dipped, but appreciate everyone who's still here. All right, update 2, minus 44.56% equals 34K. Popcorn caught on fire, down even more, but not out. I will see this through no matter what. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, so there's a lot of stuff here. And it seems like all options as well. I don't really want to open 4 images here. But he says he has a lot of options. Yeah, this is the guy who exited and went all in Bed Bath & Beyond. And he's down 34K. So, props, dude. You totally deserve this. Sell everything all in Bed Bath & Beyond. And their options, too. Who told you to do that, dude? Bro. So, I don't feel bad at all. This is just totally stupid. Play dumb games, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. So, yeah, we're not going to look at the whole thing. But down 34K. I don't even know what the options are. I'm sure they're ridiculous FDs. So, you know what? Hit the sub button now before you lose the rest of your money, dude. Before you lose another 40K. Already down 50%, 45%. You're going to lose another 55% if you don't hit the sub button. So, yeah, you should probably do that, dude. But yeah, thanks for posting. Thanks for the update. Respect for following through. You know, you said you would go all in, and you did. Yeah, dude. He's going to see this no matter what, so you're going to be bag holding this for years to come. Until you can escape, pretty much. Alright, well, like I said, play stupid games, win stupid prizes. Now he's stuck in here. With this whole account, he's stuck in here for who knows how long. Alright, what's this? It's okay, Wall Street Bets. Bruv hugs are always free. He doesn't even say what he did here. But he's up 200K. He's up 200K today? So it was a 54K YOLO and he's up 200K? Why is he not showing the actual play? I want to know what this was. Was it SPY? He may just deposited 200K and didn't look like, oh, look, I made 200K today. I mean, nice game, but I don't know what this is. I don't really believe it. How the hell did you make 200K? 3,500% in a day. Was it the stupid Chinese stock? All right, bro. Congrats, I guess. But next time, show the play. Is it possible to inverse buy high, sell low chart? Please help. Not for the ape. No, not for a regarded ape. No. With work and effort, possibly you can turn yourself around and be a smart ape. But generally speaking, no, it is not possible to inverse a buy high, sell low chart. That's for the professionals and people who know what they're doing. Sell low or buy low, sell high. Some people can do that, but not the apes on this forum. They're incapable of that. It's all going exactly as planned. Down 10K all time. Yeah, definitely super FDs there. Totally his fault. What is this? Strategic update. I lost 50K in Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's your fault? Oh, great. All right. Cool. Let's read this rant. What is this? He's screaming manipulation, I'm assuming. Sad stuff. Sad stuff. Probably just an ape that got wrecked. And regrets his life decisions. Let's read. Lost 50K, Bed Bath & Beyond, it's your fault. Stop and think, this is your fault. Anyone reading this now, you are the cause of my misfortune. I've been misled time and time again. At first, the sub was flooded with factual posts that Ryan Cohen can't sell while they were removed. These posts tricked me into buying. Dude. Bro, this is an ape that's never going to learn. He's just going to keep bag holding. It's people like this, apes like this, who just can't admit that you messed up. You messed up, not us. What do you mean, dude? No one told you to buy it. No one was putting a gun to your head. Like, buy it now. No, you willingly did it. And, yeah, it's your fault for believing DD on Wall Street Bets. That is never a good idea. Further posting suggests Cohen wouldn't sell, tricked me into buying even more. All right, so your fault again. Price started rocketing. People began trying to trick me back into buying. They said the strategic update was bullish. No, I could have told you that. It was not. They said Bye Bye Baby would be spun off. No, that was just speculation. They did not lie. That was speculation. That was just a rumor. They are bag holders who tricked me into holding their bags. Yes, and they were successful. That's all this forum is bag holders trying to pump it so they can exit. And you make new bag holders. To anyone who witnessed these posts in hindsight were wrong, you were also wrong in the post. Silent bystanders have been responsible for tragedies throughout the ages. The Holocaust happened because bystanders stood by... What is he going on to now? Wait, he's comparing Bed Bath & Beyond to the Holocaust now? Bruh. The same thing goes for my losses. You did nothing while I was tricked into putting my life savings into Bed Bath & Beyond. Yes, because we forced you to put your life savings into Bed Bath & Beyond. Now further trickery is occurring, and I refuse to be a bystander. People are saying Bed Bath & Beyond is on the reg show with high short interest. Oh, here we go again. Thus, a short squeeze will occur. Yup. Keep diamond handing. Still, it has not been squoze yet. The squeeze has not been squoze. Nah, bro. The squeeze was 30. The squeeze is over. This is more trickery? Yes. Most stocks on the reg show list never have a short squeeze. So he's waking up. He's waking up. Momentum is the leading. Sentiment is at a low point. This proof is living post. You need millions buying for a squeeze to occur. Nobody will buy when sour bag holders like me keep crying and they lost everything. Yep. I am a piece of poop F head P. You can read that yourself. I paper-handed at 9:15 with a 50K loss. And you thought I had a well-reasoned post? Of course not. It's all emotion. If you want any money, you need to stop being a P like me and buy more. F it. I think I might buy more. All right. Is he trolling? Is he trolling or what? I feel like it's legit, but he's like kind of trolling as well. Because you just keep pointing the finger. You stupid apes in this forum tricked me. You tricked me. No, how about this? How about me? How about like, no, I made a bad investment. I made a bad gamble, not investment, gamble. And now I lost 50K, right? No, it's your fault. You tricked me. Come on, bro.
Bruh.
So it's apes like this that are never going to learn. They're just going to keep bag holding. So, best luck to this guy, but he's going to need a lot of it. Read some comments. Paper-handed 9:15 50K loss. Nobody told you to do that. Nobody told you to buy at 25 as well. All right. Yeah, I don't feel bad at all. All right, last article. Mortgage with no down payment. Bank of America rolls out program in some Black Latino areas. What about the white areas? Did they already have no down payment? What just happened? Hold up. All right, here we go. Yeah, so this was like back in 2008 when everyone could just anyone could get a house, no matter how poor you are. I keep clicking off. We're just gonna it's a bad site. We're just gonna ignore that. But yeah. So is Bank of America doing that? Oops. Yeah, I'm not sure if what the situation is there. If they're just handing out mortgages again. I don't think they are, because real estate's coming down. But I think before 2022, even in 2022, because the housing market was still up when everything else was going down. But now the market is going down, the housing market. So I'm not sure if it's like that anymore. Anyone can just get a house. But yeah, that was really bad in 2008, and we don't need any more of that. I got a plan. If I gain 10% a week, my 2K account will be 10K at the end of the year. I'm averaging 20-30% past month. Plan the work the plan. All right, dude. That's certainly not going to be easy, but very possible. And you have been on a roll lately, so I believe in you, dude. So good luck. And yeah, please share with us how that goes. If I get 15% a week, it's 25K, but let's be realistic. Yeah. I like it, dude. I like it. That is actually realistic. SPY and Q's pulling back after hour. Methinks we test the June lows at some point in September. Yeah, very possible. I definitely think 370 is incoming, and I sure hope it's not 360, but very well could be. XOSS going for $50. Zach, you win this? I don't think Zach's still here, but yeah, good luck to you guys in those semi-plays. Bank of America says no credit needed to buy a house. Yeah, you should probably not do that. That's like the car, Same thing. When no credit for a car. 0 money down. No credit. No credit checks. Yeah, that's pretty bad. That's a red flag. And you shouldn't be buying a house if you got no money, so. I don't know what people are doing. So, how can you really blame I mean, it is predatory by the bank, but at the same time, how can you blame the bank when people are willingly making terrible decisions? Anyway, guys, so that's the show for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. We went 2 hours, 30 minutes. So, right on time here. That's what I kind of predicted. So, good stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed today. This was a great show. A lot of people in here today. Appreciate everyone. All the regulars, all the new people, all the lurkers. Appreciate everyone. Not too much content to cover today. But pretty good articles, good TA, and the Yolos were fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And yep, that's the end of the show. That's all I got for today. So anything else, guys, questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything, put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we out of here. Homeless can finally buy a house if no credit needed. Yeah, but then what happens when you got to pay your loan? You get foreclosed on. So what's the point? Then you're going to be homeless again. Alright, so still 6 viewers, 22 likes. So appreciate everyone sticking around at the end of the show. I think that's it. No one's saying anything. So, cool. Let's get out of here. Catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on The Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.